In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a workflow in Slack in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Slack or looking to streamline your team's communication, this guide is perfect for getting you up and running quickly. We all know how important it is to keep our team communications organized and efficient, so let's dive in and make your Slack experience even more productive. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Slack website. Once there, you'll have the option to sign in. If you haven't signed in yet, look for the option to sign in with Google. This is a simple and secure way to access your account without the hassle of remembering passwords. Signing in with Google will quickly take you to your Slack dashboard where all the action happens. On the Slack dashboard, you're greeted with a natural layout of all your available channels. For our next step, choose a channel where you want to establish a workflow, enhancing the communications and processes within your team. Clicking on a channel brings you into its feed where all messages and updates are displayed. Within this channel, you'll notice a little plus icon that allows you to explore additional functionalities in Slack. Hover over this icon and click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see an option labeled Workflow. If you hover over this, it gives you the opportunity to start automating repetitive tasks and processes. Click this workflow option to dive into setting up automation, making your communications smoother and more streamlined. After clicking on workflow, a new option will emerge, guiding you to add workflow. When you select this, you're opening the door to endless possibilities in Slack, from automating message sending to onboarding new members of your team seamlessly. It's all about reducing the manual steps and allowing Slack to do more of the heavy lifting. Once you click Add Workflow, you can design and adapt the workflow to your specific needs. It could be something simple like a welcome message for new joiners in the channel, or more complex workflows involving multiple steps and actions. Remember, workflows in Slack can significantly reduce manual, repetitive tasks, freeing up your team for more strategic work. And there you have it, you've just set up a basic workflow in Slack. This automation will keep your team's processes flowing smoothly and improve overall productivity within your workspace. Remember to explore different kinds of workflow possibilities Slack offers and tailor them to suit your organizational needs. By utilizing these tools, your team can communicate more effectively while saving time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find success in creating and managing workflows with ease.